So here are a collection of baths. So we've got the cast iron, acrylic, as well as solid surface.
Okay, so what's the benefit of one over the other?
Cast iron is great because the heat retention inside the bath.
Heavy, I'd imagine, though.
Yeah, very heavy, and that's where the benefit of acrylic is because it's a lot more lightweight.
Yeah. There seems to be a recurring theme that all the baths have a nice softness about them.
The great thing is they come in all different shapes.
Sizes,
yeah, definitely, and we've got the claw foot, which is more suited to traditional homes.
Yeah.
But then we've got timeless designs as well as the more contemporary designs.
So do people come into the showroom and physically hop into the bath?
Definitely. They need to make sure that they're comfortable in it. Yeah. It fits them because we do have a range of sizes.
I don't think which one I'm going to try.